as was said by Madam Anderson here, we have a special working day. We are all working but planting trees in Kenya. It is not a holiday as such. It is a special working day. And we are committed that today we are going to plant 100 million trees in Kenya today. And it is because we have made a commitment that we are going to plant 15 billion trees in the next 10 years. And this is because we believe in the environment, and that is why UNEP is here in Nairobi. And I don't know whether you read clearly your invitation letters. There was a small print somewhere, you might want to check, that said that before you leave Nairobi, you must plant a tree. And I have issued very firm instructions that nobody leaves the airport they have planted their tree. So please plant your tree. And I will ask you to do one more thing. When you plant that tree, because we need to look after it when you leave, please download either in the Apple Store or in Android an app. It's called Jaza Miti. Jaza Miti, let me give you the word, J-A-Z-A, that is Jaza, and then Miti, M-I-T-I. Download, take a picture, it will go into our website, we will know where the tree is, and we will look after it when you have planted. Because that app will enable us to know the geolocation of the tree you have planted. So I am making that request to all of us who are here. We will be very proud if you can join our tree planting effort. The Ministry of Environment has made all the tree seedlings for each one of you available in this compound. And it is also free. So let me say thank you very much. I wish you well, and we look forward to a good product. God bless you.